Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. His full name was Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He is known as the architect of Indian Constitution. He was a prominent political leader, eminent jurist, philosopher, orator, writer, economist, scholar, editor, social reformer. He was independent India's first Minister of Law and Justice. He was born on 14th April 1891 in military cantonment of Mahoo in Madhya Pradesh. His father name was Ramji Maloji Sakpal and his mother name was Bhima Bai Sakpal. Babasaheb was the 14th child of Bhima Bai Sakpal. His father Ramji Sakpal was an army officer of rank Subedar in British Indian Army. Because of his fluency in English language, Ramji Sakpal worked as a teacher in British Indian Army. He was man of principle and also religious. He gave his full support to his children to fulfill their dream and to pursue their education. He used to sing devotional songs of Sant Tukaram, Sant Namdev, Sant Kabir and read stories of Ramayana and Mahabharata. Dr. Ambedkar had to bear the wrath of society due to Mahar caste. People from this caste were treated as untouchables. In school, students of this community were not allowed to sit inside the class. Due to this, Ambedkar used to carry gunny sacks on which he used to sit outside the class. They were not allowed to drink water from the same vessel which were used by upper caste students and teachers. When they felt thirsty, they had to call the school peon to pour water onto their hands from a height. If on some day the peon was not available, then they had to remain without water for that time. As a child, he had to face lot of social discrimination due to his caste. His father retired in 1894, later his mother passed away and they moved to Satara. Amongst his siblings, he was the only one who passed his exam and went to high school. In 1897, he was the only untouchable who got enrolled at Elphinstone High School. In 1908, Ambedkar went to study at the Elphinstone College in Mumbai, first from his caste to do so. In 1912, he obtained degree in economics and political science from Bombay University. Then he took a job at government of princely state of Baroda. He was very determined to complete his education. He took lot of hardships to complete his education, but his quest of learning made him to take scholarship from Baroda State and pursue his post-graduation from Columbia University in the United States in 1913. He got scholarship of around £11 per month for 3 years. The stigma of untouchability was recognized by him in his childhood. His father was working as a cashier at Goregaon after he was retired from army. One of the incidences of Ambedkar's life, one day, Bhim with his elder brother set out to meet his father. When they sat in a bullock cart, the cartsman noticed that they were untouchables. Later, he threw them out of the cart onto the road in the fit of rage. He thought that they polluted his cart. Boys tried to give him double fare, but he did not align to their thought, and Bhim's elder brother himself drew the cart on foot. The boys became thirsty, but nowhere they would find the water. People told them to drink dirty water or asked them to go away. One day, thirsty Ambedkar drank water at public place. He was beaten madly by the people, knowing that he was an untouchable. Such inhuman treatment, insult, humiliation made big impact on his life from childhood.